Hey, hey. Real big dogs, but you get us from a pup. If you wanna see what's up, you devil kennels up. Hit me up. We get you together, we gon' get you right for sure. The more we go, we gon' roll. Just thought I'd let you know. Real big dogs, but you get us from a pup. If you wanna see what's up, hit Blue Devil Kennels up. Hit me up. We get you together, we gon' get you right for sure. The more we go, we gon' roll.
What's going on, Blue Devil fans? I'm about to show y'all our little routine we got. Our outside routine. I open this door right here. They're gonna shoot out that little small door. That's how we do that there for outside time. Hey girl. Fresh off of work, we done got the bulls out. They can't stay off me. They can't stay off of, they can't stay off me. Oh, my bad, girl. All up on me. You're gonna get stepped on. Alright, now chill out, chill out, chill out. Get down, get down. Man, we doing the most. Why can't y'all use the bathroom like my boy Honcho right here? Real bull, man. Real bull. No shit. Y'all see that boy? Y'all see that boy? I weighed that boy up. That boy weighing 76 pounds, y'all. 76 pounds. And he'll be 9 months at the end of this week. At the end of this week, he'll be 9 months. On the 28th of this month, he'll be 9 months. Coming in at 78 pounds. This boy ain't even popped yet, y'all. Look at that boy. Look at that boy, man. This is what you need right here. Let my boy bless your yard. This is what you need. My boy gonna give you that dome, bone, and that color, and that structure. Giving you all that. And for the price I'm giving, you can't beat it. It's basically giving it away. $500 for a stud fee for this right here. I'm basically giving you away for free. Yeah, I better take advantage of this while I can. And my girl right here. She looking real promising, y'all. As y'all know, I bred her about like, what, 2.5 weeks ago. Like taking a boo-boo. I'll put the camera back on you. Look at this girl, man. Look at them. She's swinging down there. The thing's swinging down there. Look at that girl, man. She's looking real promising. Everybody using the bathroom. Doing what it do. Oh yeah. Make sure y'all taking real good care of y'all bulls out there, y'all dogs. It's a real bad virus going around with the dogs. I don't know if y'all know, but I'm in Charlotte, North Carolina. And like, I work at a dog daycare, and every dog daycare, most of the dogs is sick. They say it's like COVID for dogs, pretty much. Yeah, I might think I'm lying, but, or it might sound crazy, but it's pretty much COVID for dogs. So y'all take real good care of y'all dogs. Make sure they real nice and safe and healthy. Yeah, y'all just pay attention to your dogs. Pay attention to any coughing, sneezing, or wheezing. It's gonna sound like kennel cough. They say it's like kennel cough, but it's worse than kennel cough. So y'all just be on the lookout for that. Just spreading the news with y'all. Whatever I know, I'm gonna try to spread with y'all, and vice versa. Y'all do the same with me. Whatever I don't know, y'all spread the love with me. Tell me what's up. Look at this boy, man. Look at that boy. That boy looking good. 76 pounds. 8 months, coming up on 9 months at the end of this month. That girl right there. Hopefully we got some good news on her. Y'all see them things down there swinging. Them things poking down there now. Y'all see them. Yeah, I ain't gonna make this video too long. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all my new viewers and all my new subscribers. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so every time I drop a video, you'll get notified. And with that being said, Blue Devil fam, we checking out.